I started asparagus in pots because the area I wanted them in wasn't ready yet. It is still not ready, but the pots are disintegrating. What should I do? Is it okay to transplant asparagus in July into hard soil? And I like this. It is hard pan clay. And I've added gypsum, compost, and vermiculite, but it hasn't done the job just yet. This is Annie on YouTube. I like that. So what do you think? Has she transplanted the asparagus in July, but here's the thing, in hard soil.
Yeah,
Hard soil.
so we've got a combination of things there, and so one thing I'll throw in for some of your northern viewers, right? Where can you grow great asparagus, right? Sandy Michigan soil, right? Yeah. So asparagus likes lighter, well-drained soil. All right. So I'll start there.
It's gonna be hard to grow that here, huh? With the hard soil.
Yeah, and of course July heat. And that's going to be the time when the asparagus would be, trying to form its food and, doing the work that's going to support next year's, edible structure. So,
yeah, July.
Yeah, it's a challenge. I guess my question would be, what are the chances that, a raised bed might be available for those plants?
Okay, all right. And depending on where you are, when do they need to get in the ground, though?
Right, and so we would typically put those in the early spring.
Right.
Yeah, and also another thing that sometimes we'll slowly harvest on our asparagus as well. So it might be a few years old before we get to full productivity. And so there's lots of things that we're focusing on that young asparagus plant to try to make sure that it gets a strong, root structure to get going.
No, that makes sense. So transplanting in July, I don't think it'd get that strong root.
It'd be a challenge. Maybe larger pots, raised beds. But yeah, this spring we've all probably got some plants sitting on our porches.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.